Example of this tense, no, she is not. She is not. And I don't know about the now the second adverb of reason. It shows the reason of an action. For example, therefore, hence, and thence. Example, he therefore resigned his job. And the third adverb of frequency. It shows the frequency of an action. Such as never, ever, always. I don't know an example of this adverb is the I always have the poor. So in the last I tell you about simply these all adverbs. First the adverb reason. मतलब देखो असां और वो ज़र्फ देखो असां कितने अकेले बार में सबक बुधाए जियन फैजान sama बड़ी बच्चों से उन जो ओव रीजन बुधाए and adverb frequency वो हने जी मदद तकरीबन करे लिहाज में हमेशा मदद कंदो मान कदा मदद न कंस मान जी कदा कदा मदद कंस असां के जो कोई उपयोग दे दो इबियो असां जो adverb सच ने negation यो कहे जुमले जी हर कार्य के बारे में जो या नकार के बारे में के नेगेटिव शब्द या का पॉजिटिव शब्द बारे में then the last share a little portion of quotation is there love is like a perfume love is like